YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about mostly sneakers, sometimes tech, maybe never tech, but yeah, sneakers. And for this episode, I'm thrilled to bring you my unboxing of a sneaker that I've been waiting for months. Ever since I saw it online, I've been excited, I've been hyped, and it's really because this has so much meaning for me as a kid. It was an anime that I watched, and yeah, I just love the shoe. This is the ADIDAS Originals Dragon Ball Z GOKU. Now, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away a bunch of sneakers on this channel. All you have to do is to follow me on Instagram, subscribe to the channel, and then hit the link down below so you can see the latest giveaway that we're doing for the vlog. Subscribe now, follow me on IG. Before anything, I just want to give a quick mad shout out to Soul Academy. So this video wouldn't have been possible without them. This early unboxing is in partnership with them. So my vlog partnered with them to be able to bring you guys this early unboxing of the Dragon Ball Z GOKU sneaker with ADIDAS. So again, thank you to the awesome, brilliant people of Soul Academy. If you guys are looking for sneakers, check their store out. They have a lot of branches. I'll put a link down below to their website. My favorite branch of all is definitely the one over at BGC, over at the Fort. Excellent staff, very helpful, excellent selection of sneakers from different brands. I love going to their store. Check them out. This is the box, and as you guys can see, it's a special edition box. It's in all black, and here at the front, it says ADIDAS Originals in the same front as the Dragon Ball logo, and then you have Dragon Ball Z. If you take a look at the side, you have a very menacing, kick-ass look of Goku. And he's there with his, typical gi with the orange and the blue and his piercing eyes. If you take a look at the other side, you have Goku with Shenron, the dragon. Now, it's only a part of the dragon and it's only part of Goku because if you actually complete all the sneakers in the 7-part collection, you can stack them all up and it will show a very cool looking artwork showing all the characters with the dragons. And that is our goal, to be able to cop every single sneaker in this collection so we can put that up, in the wall so you guys can see it when that happens. Now, when you go to the side, you have the rest of the details of the sneaker. As you can see, it also says the price. It sells for 10,000 pesos, so it's not the cheapest pair that you guys can get. And mainly because it features the ZX500 RM silhouette, which is primarily a running sneaker, but it does also feature the latest cushioning technology of ADIDAS, which is Boost. So as you guys pull the box open, the first thing that greets you is a really kick-ass looking piece of wrapping paper. Now, it's not usual that I say that wrapping paper is cool, but for this instant, we really just have to call it out because the thing looks literally like a poster. You have, let me just pull it out so you guys can see it. So you have Goku staring down Frieza, which is an iconic scene, of course, in the anime in Planet Namek. So you have the two guys staring each other down before they get into that epic battle that they had, which literally left the entire planet destroyed. If you take a look at the inside of the box, it's even designed with multiple Dragon Balls, all in the different stars and different streaks of lightning and electricity, which is similar to the electricity, I guess, you see with Saiyans when they go all out and they go crazy. Now let's get to the sneaker. This is the ADIDAS ZX RM500 with the Goku collaboration colorway. And as you guys can see, it mimics the costume, the gi that Goku wears. The gi, of course, is the costume of the Turtle School where Master Roshi, or the bald pervy guy, which is actually Goku's, Krillin's, and Yamcha's master, wears. So actually, that's the same gi that actually Krillin, as well as Yamcha, and even later down the road, Gohan wears, the blue and the orange, which is very iconic Goku. And that's the same colorway that you guys see with this sneaker. Now, this sneaker is not cheap. The materials are not cheap. It's not one-dimensional. It actually has a lot of layers, a lot of materials, which I found very surprising. Let's go over them. When it comes to the upper, you have, I'm not sure if it's suede or nubuck, but it's one of those two, which really traces almost the entire side as well as the forefoot of the sneaker. So that's the thick, solid orange part that you guys see here that also traces along the midfoot of the sneaker. If you go in the middle, there's a very breathable mesh material, which also goes here at the back. and then you have neoprene over here along the side of the sneaker. Those blue streaks that you guys see here is actually made from denim, and the uneven cut is made to mimic the blue shirt of Goku, which is usually ripped. And as you guys know, as Saiyans lose their clothes, they become so much stronger. So anyway, that same denim material can be found with the tongue. So if you take a look at the tongue tab, the top is actually a bit uneven, which is very consistent with how the stripes of Adidas in blue were made along the side. If you go to the middle, you have that same suede patch that goes along the eyelets, and you have red laces that give it a much better accent and a much better pop. If you go to the tongue, you have the Adidas logo here at the front, and you have a one-star Dragon Ball here at the back. And then when you go to the heel guard, you have the same logo that can be found on the patch of Goku's gi, which can, I think this one stands for like the turtle school or something. Yeah, but yeah, this is the same patch that you can find in his gi. One detail that a lot of fans will notice is this cloud. This cloud is actually the same cloud that Goku rode when he was a kid, and it was actually awarded to him by Master Roshi when he saved Turtle. So, and he actually even used it as he grew up through the years. Now, it's a nice addition. It's a nice piece of fan service that they added. If you go to the midsole, it's that really fantastic boost material that you have here, which is of course used in most of the running sneakers that Adidas has, with the Ultra Boost, with the Pure Boost, with the Energy Boost, even with their EQT line. So this is the best cushioning technology that Adidas has to offer. And if you take a look at the sides, you have some sort of stability plate here. That's the color blue one, as well as that red TPU line that extends throughout the back of the shoe, which is also present here along the side of the lateral part of the sneaker. Now, those things aren't just for show, because apart from adding a little more color to the sneaker, they also add to the stability of the Boost foam. Because without them, I think it would be a little bit too mushy and doesn't give you as much structure and guidance to your feet as you walk. This is primarily, after all, a running sneaker. If you go inside the insole, there is a Dragon Ball Z Adidas Originals branded insole with yellow and different, Dragon Balls with all the different stars here inside. And lastly, when you go to the outsole, you have a black outsole, rubber outsole with accents of blue, 3 blue dots here, as well as 2 red dots here near the back of the shoe. Everything into consideration, I was actually very surprised with the overall quality that I got with this pair of sneakers. This was clearly made for my generation of, Dragon Ball Z fans when we were much younger, and then we would eventually grow up, and then we would actually have the money to buy sneakers like this, because they didn't compromise on the quality. They didn't compromise on the performance. They took a really well-built shoe, put the latest technology that Adidas had to offer, and then dressed it up in a Dragon Ball inspired character, and even used the best kind of materials that they could find to be able to build it as an everyday lifestyle running pair of kicks. And that's something that I really, really appreciate. They didn't scrimp. They didn't, not all the money didn't go to the licensing rights of the shoe. Of course, a big part of it. And that's probably the reason why this isn't an Ultra Boost. Because if this was an Ultra Boost, this would probably sell, I don't know, like 15 to 20,000 pesos because of the licensing fee plus the materials used to build the shoe. Now, these sneakers couldn't have come at a better time, because of course Dragon Ball is really on a comeback these days. They recently came out with the new arc wherein they faced Jiren, they faced the God of Destruction, they faced like Topo, and it was a fantastic arc wherein we got to see Goku unlock Ultra Instinct and Vegeta come out with this new limit breaker when he became so much bigger and that color blue thing going on. We have a lot more of Dragon Ball to look forward to. There's a movie coming soon with Broly and all of that stuff, so it's definitely a good time to be a Dragon Ball fan, because apart from updated anime and updated story arcs, you can now buy excellent sneakers like this one. And there you have it. That's my unboxing of the Adidas Originals Dragon Ball Z Goku sneaker. This one comes out in the Philippines September 29 for 10,000 pesos. It will be available at Soul Academy. Check them out. I'll put a link down in the website. And again, guys, please show them some love, because this video wouldn't have been possible without their partnership. Carlo, Jojo, I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much for this opportunity to be able to do this for our viewers. And I hope we can keep on doing it for the months ahead. Now, if you guys want to watch a more fun version of this in Tagalog, which is very raw, very uncut and unfiltered, I'll put a link down below to my Pinoy Tagalog unboxing of the Dragon Ball Z sneakers Goku down below. Watch it if you guys have the time. That's it for now. I hope you're all having a great week. Again, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you can be part of our latest giveaway. Peace. God bless.